Before, after. Hello Evermanders, welcome to a new video, and today I'm bringing you this quick repair for beginners, in particular repairing holes near the seams of knitted sweaters like this. So I'm going to start with the bigger hole and I'm going to turn the sweater inside out and sew around the hole. For this mending you will need a thread and a needle. I use this thread because its thickness is closer to the thickness of the sweater's knit. I'm going to start to do a back stitch along this hole. First, let's check how our mending goes, and it looks perfect to me. So now we begin to finish off this stitching with the following stitch. Actually, I don't know the name of this stitch in English, but you see how I am doing. It turned out perfectly and you cannot see the mending from outside. So now we're going to do the same steps for the smaller hole that was also close to this bigger hole. So let's mending it. and voila! Now you cannot see the hole.